Yo, what is good, everybody? I have been just honestly working a lot, haven't been doing much with the car, kind of been letting it sit a little bit. So, a couple things that I've kind of figured out. Got my heads decked. I feel like the amount of times that I've done this, I have never gotten anything decked before, had it cleaned and just resurfaced. And I'm thinking about also maybe completely just taking the head apart and like doing a whole valve job, or maybe just having them relashed or whatever the correct term is for that. This also seems fine. We didn't see anything that should have caused a crazy low compression number like we saw before. The 40 psi may have possibly been a faulty test, or it could still be right. I have no idea. This entire time we've really genuinely been in the diagnosis phase because I never really found out what the problem was. I just sort of preemptively took the motor out thinking that it was something that was internal, because I assumed I went through everything external, like, you know, fuses and wires and fucking sensors and everything, and nothing came back abnormal. So I was like, it's gotta be the motor. Upon further inspection and having a ton of different hands and eyes on this thing, we come to the conclusion that it's definitely not my motor that's the problem. So that leads us back to here, and something in all of this bullshit that has to be the problem. Maybe ignition switch, maybe, or a mobilizer, something really stupid that I've never dealt with before because it was completely random and I was super stumped. I still am extremely stumped. So long story short, pretty much like the whole point of this video is just kind of get you guys like up to speed on like what's been going on and like what I'm doing and like what the plan is, because I know I kind of went quiet after Wicked Big. So my plan is to rebuild this thing, obviously, without breaking the bank, but I also don't want to necessarily cut corners because I want this to run right. I want it to run for a long time and I want to enjoy my car. I'm getting rid of the OEM headers that I've had for going on 5 years now. Keeping my external wastegate. I was going to get rid of it, but I like it. I'm keeping it. It works well. It's also just really difficult to get them now. Also got head studs because head bolts are no good. I didn't realize was that head bolts stretched after they were torqued down the initial time. And oh my god! Wow! We made fun of it a couple videos ago, but like I was one of those people that reused head bolts because I did not know that you can reuse head bolts. So we got some new head studs and we're gonna throw those on because it'll make me feel good. And I mean, honestly, besides that, everything else is pretty much gonna stay the same. I'm not gonna break apart the case halves because I don't really see a reason to. If I ever decide to go that route, honestly, I'd probably just get an entirely brand new block, like a IAG or fucking Type RA or something like that. At least once it's back in the car, I know that the motor should not be a problem at all because we've just ran through that shit. That's really all I had for you guys though, just like an update to be like, hey, still making videos. I hope you enjoyed the Wicked Big video. I'm just kind of taking it slow because there isn't really much I can do right now. I'm kind of just like stacking my bread and trying to save for parts and figure out what my next moves are. Hope you guys enjoyed. I appreciate y'all for sticking around and like supporting me. I know it's kind of slow going here, but I'm gonna get back to it sooner rather than later. It's always just kind of slow, like when it comes to like building stuff, at least for me, because I don't know if you guys know this, I'm still pretty new to this. I've been teaching myself like on this car with all of this stuff like as I go. But yeah, anyways, peace out and I will see y'all in the next video.